Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I have quite a different video than usually. Today we'll be talking about SuperTrade, which is your gateway to professional trading. It's a platform that can let you start trading on funded account and in other options, guys. So before we start with this video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that said, we can dive right into it, guys. So this video will be quite an introduction. I want to see how you guys like this type of content, whether you are interested in such solutions or not. So yes, first things first, guys, let me tell you something about SuperTrade. So it is basically a global proprietary trading platform that is designed to help traders scale their trading careers without relying on personal capital. So unlike traditional trading, where individuals risk their own funds, SuperTrade provides you with access to firm capital, which is up to 100,000 USD, allowing traders to execute larger trades, manage risk effectively, and maximize profit potential. So by bridging the gap between capital and traders, SuperTrade ensures that talented individuals can focus on strategy, risk management, and execution rather than worrying about funding limitations. So whether you are a new trader looking for structure or an experienced trader aiming to scale your trading, then SuperTrade offers a professional-grade ecosystem with all the tools and support needed to succeed. So you have it explained here, what I just told you, that they have funded accounts up to 100,000 USD, 80% of your earnings available, and lifetime commission of 210 million plus paid. So you have all their features and benefits. As you can see, access up to $100K, quick withdrawals, elite education, global opportunities, advanced technology, and dedicated support. So obviously they are 24/7 support. They have their academy as well, and they have some reviews on Trustpilot, which are looking pretty good. So as you can see, they have 4.9 based out of 64 reviews, verified profile. So this looks pretty nice. So who is it for, guys? It is for a wide range of people, wide range of traders, including aspiring traders. So if you are looking to start trading, for example, without personal financial risk, for experienced professionals to scale your business, right? For scalpers and for swing traders as well, you know, those who prefer high frequency trading, short-term strategies, or long-term position holding. Also for forex, crypto, and stock traders, like if you want to access multiple asset classes, then it's available. And then also for risk-conscious traders, those who value structured risk management and capital protection. So why SuperTrade out of all the platforms available, guys? Well, they have flexible funding models, they have high profit splits where you can earn up to 80% of your profits without unnecessary fees. There is no hidden fees, so everything is fully transparent. You can see all the pricings here as well. And then they also have advanced trading technology. They have diverse market access. You can trade forex, crypto, indices, commodities with leverage up to 100. They have their Super Academy and market analysis. They have global trading community and 24/7 support. And they have the potential to scale it, you know, the scalability. You can start with smaller capital and grow your trading account with performance-based funding upgrades. So this is also really nice, guys. You have all the pricings that is basically listed down here, and you can see what kind of balances you are working with and what is the funded account value or your two-phase challenge account. So yeah, as you can see, you have the information, how much everything costs, what is your profit target, right? What is the max daily drawdown, overall drawdown, as you can see, and all the informations that you basically need in order to decide whether you want to get started with each particular account or not. So it's all available fully transparently right here, right now. So yes, they call themselves the ultimate trading platform. They have advanced charting tools, they have AI-powered market insights, which is also pretty cool. Honestly, utilizing this is really interesting, especially considering the fact that right now AI is very capable of reading different market themes and situations. Obviously, like, it's best that you educate yourself instead of relying on AI, but it could be, you know, some nice additional feature that could help you decide, perhaps. Seamless order execution as well, so that also is cool. They have some testimonials here from people who earn commission, and you can see what they are saying about SuperTrade. So they also have this FAQ section, guys, right here. And yeah, that's exactly what they have. So also let me talk you through some of the things. In the meantime, I can show you, for example, their academy. So you have all the information here, how to get started, how to register your account, what is a challenge account, how to start one, how to get funded account. You know, they have all the units, they have all the informations here in the academy section. In company section you can verify all their stuff, and also in affiliates they obviously have affiliate info, so if you want to become their affiliate and earn some really good commission, then it is all available here. So also let me talk you through what is proprietary trading. So prop trading allows traders to access firm capital instead of personal funds, right? And then you can keep up to 80% of your profits. It depends on the funding model. So technically, you could choose SuperTrade because there is no personal financial risk, there is scalable funding up to 100k, and there is fast trading execution and global market access. So how does that work? Because, well, you have those two-phase challenge pros, or you have instant funding. So instant funding, you get immediate capital and start trading without a challenge. And then option 2, guys, is two-phase challenge, where you prove your skills, you get funded, and you receive your challenge fee refund after passing. So if you have the experience with trading, then obviously the two-phase is better for you as a trader. And I don't think that I need to explain this, especially if you are, a trader. But basically, that's how it works, and you can obviously learn more about this as you go. Then you also have their Super Academy, right? You have all the flexible funding options, you have the high profit splits, right? And there is also exclusive discount, guys, for you. I'm gonna say that right now. You can get 20% off, that is my promo code in the description, of any two-phase challenge purchase starting at $49. It excludes the $24 plan for a $2,500 balance, so that's the only exclusion here. And yeah, they have all the advanced trading tools, they have worldwide market access, guys, they have it all basically. So honestly, if you are interested in starting your trading journey, or if you are already experienced trader and you want to get funded here with a challenge, then it could be a platform for you. Also, guys, if you want to stay updated with all their informations and stuff happening within SuperTrade, then definitely go ahead and follow their X, and you can also join their Telegram and be updated with all the new stuff happening within their ecosystem. So that's it from me for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see some trading content. Well, I'm not in the position to make tutorials yet, but I'm learning myself as well. So if you guys want, I could hook you up with some cool content. Yeah, let me know how much of you trade. Let me know how much of you have funded accounts. Yeah, I'm happy to engage with you guys. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.